How to create a membership website using Wix. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a membership website using Wix. A membership website is a type of online platform where users pay a fee or subscribe to access premium content or services that are not available to the general public. It's a business model that allows website owners to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content, courses, tools, or community features to their members. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a membership website step by step. And this is the preview of what we are going to create today. So let's get started. The first step is to set up a Wix account, and if you already have an account, you can skip to the next step. Once you have created your account, you will be directed to My Sites, and from here create new site. And then we have to enter what kind of website we are going to create today, but I am going to skip this step for now. And then we have to choose either to begin with a template or get a custom built site. But right now I'll just go with this template. You can browse for the template or search for specific keyword to find the right template for your needs. Once you have found a template, then you can preview it from here, and after that click on the edit. But for today I'll go with a blank template, and I'm going to design a website from scratch. Now it's time to add content to our website. The Wix editor is designed to be user friendly, so you can customize your website with ease. The editor has a drag and drop interface that allows you to add and remove elements on your website. So first of all, I am going to click on add elements, and then I'll search for members area. Here we have Wix members area, and now I am going to install it and add it to our site. So this is the inbuilt Wix member area, and this is the login information. And if you want to add more fields to this, like if you want to add address, then go to settings. And then manage fields, and add more fields, and address add. And if you want to remove any of these fields from here, just simply click on these three dots and hide. And you can customize this by changing layout, adding images, changing the color scheme, and adding your own text. So design your area as you like, and then hit back. Now I have fully designed my membership page, and the last step is to set up a payment option. To collect payment for your membership website, you will need to set up payment options, and Wix offers a range of payment options like credit card payments, PayPal, Stripe. So set up your payment method from the site dashboard. And the last step is to launching our membership website. Once you have customized your website and added membership features, you are ready to launch your membership website. So click on the publish button over here. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. So I wanted to take a quick moment to share some tools which we use to create videos and websites for our online presence. We are using these tools for several months now, and it has made our life so much easier, and we know it will do the same for you. The best part is, if you go through our links, you will get a special discount as well. Therefore, please check those product and links in the description of this video. So now our website is live, and this is the link to our website. And this was just an example of a membership website, but it can be built around a variety of niches and topics such as online courses, fitness program, music lessons, cooking classes, software tools, and many more. Hope you guys find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.